How to create birthday card on Microsoft Word in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create birthday card on Microsoft Word in less than 1 minute, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Word. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top and click on this little cards option right here. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find many cards, and here is the birthday one, for example this one and this one and whatever. There is a lot here, and if you didn't find the birthday, just search here for birthday like this. And as you can see, now click on the one that you want. I'm gonna choose this one. And now change the name or add whatever you want from here. As you can see, it's very easy to edit. And after you finish, click on the save option here in the top corner. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.